Okay, so behind me is the Chamonix. It's priced at $549,990,000. Great floor plan. I think you're gonna like it. Let's step inside. Okay, so one thing to point out here really quick is you'll notice the fence right here. These houses do not have backyards. It's rear entry garages. So this front yard is your backyard. It's got this awesome covered porch here. It's huge, actually. Big windows. And look how tall the door is as well. Okay, so stepping inside here, you can see you got stairs going down and going up. We'll check those out last. But what I like about this floor plan is it's just everything's all here in one area. So you got this nice big open family room, kitchen, and dining area here. So let's check out the kitchen really quick. This is one of the features I love about this floor plan is the big windows they have. Letting that natural light come into the kitchen. Super unique, right? Once again, you'll see here, Candlelight does these crazy tall ceilings here on the main floor. That's where the refrigerator would go. And just take one look at the whole area from here. You notice tons of windows. That's something Candlelight does really good at, putting lots of windows. Right here, you've got this awesome, massive pantry here. Plenty of room for all 7 of your children. And then you got this mudroom area here with a little place to kick those shoes. Windows right there. You got your bathroom right here on the main floor. And you can see here, you've got this little sink area here, and we'll step out and check out the garage as well. So this is actually just a 2-car garage, but you will notice there's extra space on each side, so it's actually a 2-car garage. All right, let's check out the upstairs real quick. You'll notice first thing here, all the windows here in the corner here, letting that natural light in. You're also across the street from the park here, so you've got pickleball, basketball courts, and some green space there. All right, top stairs here, you can see nice long hallway. First thing you run into here is the laundry area. Nice big laundry area. And then you got the bathroom right here and bedrooms on each side. So we'll just check out these bedrooms super quick. Once again, you got 4 windows in this bedroom, and it's gonna be a pretty standard closet here. We'll just take a peek inside to give you a feel for how that looks. Plenty of hanging space there. And then you can see the bathroom right here. It's got a shub and a nice little window there above that as well. And then bedroom number 2 right here. We'll check out the master bedroom in just a second. Once again, you got 4 windows in this room. And that closet's gonna be very similar to the other one, so we won't open it up. And then you have the master bedroom here at the back of the house. You can see tons of windows, plenty of space here. We'll step in the corner. Give you a feel for the size of this room. And the other thing that's kind of cool here is they put a little kind of mini vault here. You put a fan up there if you wanted to. And then stepping into the bathroom here, you can see you got double sinks and this cool window above. Nice big shower right here. Toilet, and we'll step inside to give you a feel for the size of this entire closet here. So step the corner this way, give you a better feel for size. All right, so let's go check out the basement. This one they have finished down to the basement, but the basement itself is not finished. So going off to the left here, you can see tons of open space here. You've got a tankless water heater right here, so instant hot water. And nice big open space here. This might make a really good fitness room or something like that. And then you can see you got the plumbed for a bathroom here. So you can put a bathroom and a bedroom kind of back here through this section. Let's step into this corner here. You can see the little ladder there so you can escape if there's a fire. But nice big area here. And let's see what's across the hall here. This is a separate section here. Oh, this is just storage under the stairs. That was really boring. I was expecting something cool. All right, guys, that is it. So if you have any questions about this floor plan or you want to tour this floor plan, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll meet you out here. We'll take a look at the houses. We can tour multiple houses. They have other houses that I didn't show you today that are available or in the process of being built. What about the amenities? They already have 9 pickleball courts, a skate park, and basketball courts are in the works. But these 3 features just scratch the surface for what's planned in this community. It will be a full-blown sports complex loaded with pretty much anything you could ever want or imagine. Now, where in Eagle Mountain is the Candlelight Homes community located? Firefly is to the west of Saratoga Springs and Eagle Mountain City Center. You're about 8 to 10 minutes from the Macy's grocery store, a smattering of restaurants, and Cedar Valley High School. And Eagle Mountain City is about 40 miles southwest of Salt Lake City and 30 miles from Provo. Candlelight Homes includes many features that other builders charge more for. I have no doubt that you'll be astounded by what is included. Anyway, Candlelight builds high-quality homes and provides extraordinary value. And if all this isn't enough, smart home technology is included in every home. You get a smart home thermostat, a Nest video doorbell, a quick-set smart key, and a Wi-Fi enabled garage door. Hit pause if you need more time. I'm moving on. What about amenities? When fully built out, Firefly will include over 350 acres of parks, trails, and open space. In addition to what I've already shared, there will be soccer fields, a climbing wall, a covered pavilion, and an extensive trail system. There will also be an indoor-outdoor playground, an amphitheater, and a splash pad like you've never seen. And earlier, when I said there was going to be a park, that was an understatement. Here's a list of what Trailblazer Park has to offer. Once again, feel free to hit pause if you need more time. So I'm sure I've left some things out, but clearly this place is going to be amazing. And the HOA is only $65 per month. Obviously, pricing and availability frequently changes. So if you have questions or if you'd like to tour the community, call or text me anytime. You'll find home tours for the St. Moritz, Chamonix, Keystone, and Sun Valley right here on my channel. To familiarize yourself with Eagle Mountain, watch the full tour of Eagle Mountain City. If you're coming from another state, be sure to check out Watch This before you relocate to Utah. Look for the links to my recommended videos below. If you're looking to buy, sell, build a home, or invest in Utah real estate, I get contacted all the time. Please feel free to call or text me with your questions. I'd love to meet you, and I'm honored to serve you. For everyone else, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have a friend or a family member looking to buy a home here in Utah, you can easily text this video to them. And please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below. It'll make you feel good.